It's like childhood swing.
Yeah, let's go.
挑战抓100个老外体验贵州。We are done with the Cliff Coffee, so I'll bring you guys back to experience the childhood swing, okay?
Don't trust your fun, but we can do it.
Okay, 带他们回到童年荡秋千。Let's go.
Let's go.
翻山越岭，我们终于到了。
Finally.
Wow.
又下雨。
Oh my word.
It's raining. Big, right?
It's big.
OK， 我觉得吸摄像头无法形容这个洞穴有多大。This is a small one. Nature is massive. We have a lot of cave. We have a lot of waterfall. A lot of things for you guys to do. 你们喜欢大自然，就可以来贵州探索一下。You love nature?
We
you
love
come
it.
to
I love
Guizhou.
it. Definitely. Definitely 100%. We can have some nice food.
我们探索一下，我们到处看一下。OK，let's go.
I don't like it. Awesome. But where's the fire?
Yeah. 在洞穴太冷了，所以呢，他们这边还有那个 campfire。对，在这边还有萤火。We're gonna go forward. 现在带他们看一下洞穴。
Woo! Yo, this was formed over many years.
Yeah, look.
That's how the twilight people look in the sun.
We're gonna look at that. Look at that. The shiny thing. Do you see?
Wow,
Go closer. Go
it's
closer. Go closer. 哇，亮晶晶的嘞。
It's like glitter.
Look, look, look.
And on the floor.
Yeah.
Wow.
This looks like Cocoa Pops. Wow.
It feels like smooth. What makes it shine like that?
I don't know. There's some minerals in the rocks. Wow. 这个是石头吗？这慢慢滴滴成这样子啊！这个钟乳石好大，然后呢堆积到这么大哦
Massive.
，huge。哦，这个有点恐怖哦，有点恐怖哦。小茹，你想想哈，一个人来探索这个洞，然后呢，你看这么大的洞，有一只龙坐在这边，就是有点恐怖。那是真的吗？那是什么？这是天然的吗
This water.
？What？
Oh, the water.
哇，你看，你们看，
Forming because of the water dripping.
滴呀滴呀
Yeah.
滴。
Can you drink from it?
这个就是正在形成的，已经这么高了。刚刚那个好大。
Look here, if you look closely, and then it was.
I gotta lift you here.
What caveman?
在哪里了
Are we jumping from the cliff or that thing?
？That thing, that wooden thing, we're gonna jump.
But how are we going to get to the wooden thing?
We're gonna
Yeah.
climb.
Look at here, staples. You climb. You go up with that stairs.
Are you ready?
I was born ready.
You was born ready? Timon, are you ready? You're not ready.
No, not at all.
我先上去 ，OK？
You just hang.
OK。好。OK, we're gonna climb.
Nervous. She's gonna do it. So come down here. Take your time, my baby. Take your time. Woo! Take the next step. Put your hand on that. Stand up. So stand up. Put your foot there. And then
Yeah,
you put
very
your foot
good.
there. Babes, nobody's forcing you. If you can't, I will go back down.
Oh no. It's too hard.
I am nervous. I'm not liking this.
Are you ready? You can say, I love Guizhou. You love Guizhou.
No, not now. Not now. I'm nervous. No, I'm nervous. Just give me a sec. I will jump. Just give me a sec. Ah!
加油，你可以的。
Ah!
Don't shake, don't shake. Come on, do it, do it.
I'm gonna pass out.
You pass out. Believe in yourself. I if I can fly. Okay, let's go. One, go!
Everyone to shout again. Tell everyone to have a countdown.
大家全部用中文倒数。这才是。
失去了光，又恢复到了石像的模样。
You have to jump. The more you wait, you still have to jump.
Yeah, I know, but there's nerve and everything, but look at me shaking. I'm not gonna get
One last time for you. I'm gonna push. Once you do this, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Give me a push, give me a push.
Give me a push.
I'm not leaving the ground again. Leave the ground again. Fucking scared. Look here. Oh, you mad? It's fine. I will stay on the ground. Not I can see. Too fucking scary. Is the scariest shit I've ever done in my life.
现在该到我了。I'm ready.
Are you scared?
Of course, I'm not scared.
3, 2, 1.
Welcome to 贵州. Yeah, I love it. All right, awesome.
How
You
are you
love
so fearless? I loved it, but I was very scared.
Simon, you got to try. Small one.
This guy doesn't have one bone in his body that's scared.
没想到贵州有这样子的极限运动，
I'm still
它
shaking.
还在抖。You love it?
I loved it. It was good. I loved it, but I was very scared.
Recommend your friends to be here.
Yeah,
Okay.
not there. Yeah, he has people.
Amazing！本期就到这里了。这次带他们来提一下贵州的大自然，来感受、探索一下刺激。
We definitely didn't know Guizhou has all this beauty, the natural beauty and everything. But we're happy that you showed us the place.
So much.
Thank you. Okay.
Even though I never tried.
Yeah.
It's cool.
When
Maybe
I-
one
next
day.
time.
When our friends and family are coming, I'm bringing them here. Guizhou is beautiful.
Yeah.
We're coming back. We're coming back.
That is terrifying.
But that is the experience of the life. See you next time. Yeah.